baby, I just can't believe you. I just don't understand that my own wife, who I've been married to for over 10 years, will do such a thing to me.
But I said I'm sorry now. You know I love you. It's a mistake.
No, you don't love me. How can you call that love? How can you call that love?
Hey, you people, let me sleep, oh.
I just don't understand. Don't you know that a monkey who eats grass instead of banana is a goat?
But a goat that still eats banana is still goat now.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Only a foolish dog will bark at the face of a lion.
But what if it's a smart dog?
Huh?
Smart dog.
Huh? You say smart dog?
Smart goats. Eh? Who cares about smart goats? If I slap you, you'll see what they call smart goats.
I don't get it. I just don't get you. I don't get you. You're telling me mistake. Wasn't it your hand? Wasn't it your body that was in the process? Okay, isn't it the same mouth that you used? You're telling me mistake.
I'm sorry now.
I'll do something. Don't make me come out there. I'll do something. Let me sleep.
Just look at the last meat. I can't believe you finished the last meat in the plate. And you call yourself my wife. What happened to sharing? What happened to sharing? The last meat that we had in this plate. I'm sending you back to your village.
I told him not to marry her. He has married her now.